In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this simple gallery wall using postcards. I made sure they were all black and white so they looked quite cohesive. For this you will need these A6 acrylic poster sleeves, peel off the blue film which protects it and slip in the postcards. First I planned out the order of how I wanted them and the spacing, marked this out on the wall using masking tape. To stick these on, using these command poster strips, peel this side off, attach, make sure it's pressed on firmly, remove this side which attaches to the wall. I started in the top left hand corner using a spirit level to make sure it was nice and straight and pushed firmly. Attach the command strips to the rest of the print so I could focus sticking those on. Did that along the cross at the top, then underneath on the left hand side. I then continued moving across on the right, using a spirit level to make sure all was straight and level, and a tape measure to make sure that the spacing was consistent all the way around. Remove the masking tape. You can see I've done quite a small area. I only ordered 16. This is just showing how I did it. You can always add to it or do less. It's completely up to you on your space. If you want to switch out the postcards, you can easily take them out and put new ones in. If you decide you don't want them on the wall, because they are command strips, they're easy to remove without damaging the wall. Let me know in the comments below, how would you have your postcard gallery wall? If you do this, I'd love to see, so please tag me on LLimWalker Home. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys create.